Good morning, people. As I wait for a couple of you to join in, let me tell you, it's a beautiful morning. कल रात बहुत बारिश हुई है. It rained crazy, and I'm here. I get tempted to come out every morning to speak to you guys. घर के अंदर से लेना मुझे पसंद नहीं है अपने sessions. And this becomes the reason why I want to come out and talk to you, because of the lovely weather here. Bangalore has amazing weather. So what am I trying to tell you here today? आज एक बहुत छोटा सा topic discuss कर रहे हैं, और वो ये divorce recovery is something which is very new in the country today. किसी ने सोचा नहीं, बात नहीं किया डिवोर्स रिकवरी के बारे में आज से पहले. और अगर आप किसी को जानते हैं जो डिवोर्स या सेपरेशन से पीड़ित है, गुज़र रहा है, देन यू मे वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस देम टू दिस चैनल, जहाँ पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं हाउ टू डील विथ योर कंसर्न्स इफ़ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू अ डिवोर्स एंड सेपरेशन. आई वर्क विथ माई मेंटीज़, उनके साथ मेरे जब काम होता है, with men and women both. और I am really wanting to highlight today कि difference क्या होता है when I'm mentoring a girl versus I'm mentoring a boy. The issues of divorce are very different. The therapy and the healing also therefore differs when we are trying to deal it one-on-one. लेट मी गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल मोर. मैंने आपको 2 दिन पहले एक वीडियो में बताया था कि लॉस ऑफ आइडेंटिटी फॉर अ मैन इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम लॉस ऑफ आइडेंटिटी फॉर अ वुमन. यू मे वॉन्ट टू वॉच द वीडियो 2 days बैक ऑफ वॉट इट रियली मेंट. आज हम एक उसका दूसरा पहलू डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पर हम कहेंगे, बता रहे हैं कि वॉट इज़ द डिफरेंस येट अगेन. When a couple goes through a divorce, the custody of the child usually ends up with the mother. माँ के पास usually बच्चे की custody आती है, और यहीं पर difference शुरू हो जाता है of what the parent goes through. So while a father misses the child, he misses the time he spends with the child over the weekends. He misses the bonding time with his kid over badminton sessions or football sessions, playing over the weekends, having dinner together. You know, the father misses all of this. Apart from the loss of a soulmate, of his partner, his wife, he also misses the absence of his child. Yeah? Those are the 2 griefs he is going through. He only gets to meet his child according to the custody plan, which probably the court decides, and really misses the fact that he cannot he's no longer a part of his child's life. That's what kills him the most. उसको बार बार फ़ोन करके पूछना कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो अपने लाइफ में, what is happening in your life, it really hurts him, because now he's no longer getting to meet, right? For a woman, on the other hand, it's much easier a life. Why? Because she has just lost a husband, she still has the custody of the child, right? उसके for a wife, for a lady, the unproductive feelings, the negative feelings for the estranged relationship with her husband are always, you know, वो उसको फिर भी संभाल ले जाती है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके पास बच्चे की कस्टडी है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बच्चा आज भी उसके ही ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा है. शी कैन टॉक टू दैट किड whenever she wants. उसको किसी की परमिशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं, उसको स्केड्यूल्स, प्लान्स देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं. एंड आई थिंक this loss of the kid is something which men really suffer. One part of healing that they need, especially around their child, their kid itself, right? So and that is where we handle differently these both these mentees who come in for divorce counseling and healing post divorce. बहुत अलग तरीके से इनको हैंडल करना पड़ता है. सो इफ़ यू थिंक यू नो समबडी हु नीड्स डिवोर्स हीलिंग, this is a service which has come in India for the first time, and you may want to guide them to this channel. They will bless you for the rest of their lives, and you will feel proud of yourself. Thank you so much. It's wonderful coming to you every day. God bless you. Bye bye.